In this video, I'm going to show you how to work a cable cast on, which is a really useful neat edge cast on method that's slightly more complex than the basic thumb loop cast on in a different video, but it's still very simple. So again, we begin with a slip knot, which my method, wrap my yarn twice around my fingers, making sure, I'll just show you that again, once round and then the second time crossed over the first. Needle under, over, and pull it through. So now we can just tighten that and spin it around so that is on the left needle tip. So for a cable cast on, it is very similar to a knit stitch. So we're going to insert the needle through that stitch there, just through the one, wrap it around, pull it back through, and then where you would pull the stitch off if you're working a regular knit stitch, you're going to place this loop on your right needle, just elongate it slightly so you can see. You're going to place this loop on the left needle, so now you have two. Tug that slightly tighter. And then this is what makes it a cable cast on. But instead of going through this loop as if you're working a knit stitch, you're going to go between the two loops here. Lift that a bit closer. So my needle is going in between the two loops. Again, wrap round, pull it back through, pull the loop a little bigger, and now place this one on the needle. So now you have three. And now you just keep repeating this last action between the two stitches, around, pull it through, and place it on the needle. Between, around, back through, on the needle. I'll just do a few more. You can see the edge there. It's a slightly more substantial edge than a thumb cast on, but hopefully it's just as simple.